Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to create add-on domain and subdomain in Plesk. You can host multiple websites with separate domain names on your control panel by using an add-on domain. This add-on domain is a domain that points to a subdirectory within your primary domain. The add-on domain will act as an independent domain with no references to the primary domain. For example, if mwadmin.com is your primary domain, then example.com would be your add-on domain. To create an add-on domain in Plesk, follow these steps. Log in to Plesk. On the left side of sidebar, click on Websites and Domains. Click on Add Domain. A new page will appear with heading Adding New Domain Name. In the domain name section, type your domain name after www. Now, in the location of the website's files, you can see the name of primary domain by default. From the drop-down box of hosting type, select any one option. In that, website hosting option allows you to host a website and email services. Forwarding option allows you to redirect traffic from one website to another website. No hosting option allows you to host DNS and email services but not a website. If you are using DNS service provided by your hosting provider, then tick the option Activate the DNS service. If you are using DNS service provided by your registrar, then untick this option. If you wish to use email services on the same server, then tick the option Activate the mail service. If you are using any remote mail service, then untick this option. Plesk automatically completes the document root and preferred domain options under the hosting settings. You can modify the settings as per your requirements. If you want to secure your domain with Let's Encrypt SSL certificate and your domain is pointing to a server, then select the checkbox Secure the domain with Let's Encrypt. Click on OK. This process requires 2-3 minutes, and once done, you will get a success message. What is a subdomain? A subdomain is an additional part of your main domain based upon a prefix name that you choose. For example, if mwadmin is my primary domain and the subdomain prefix is howto, then the subdomain is howto.mwadmin.com. To create a subdomain in Plesk, follow these steps. In the same window, click on Add Subdomain. Now, in the prefix section of primary domain, enter the name that you want as your subdomain. In the document root section, you can see the default home directory path, which is the combination of your subdomain and primary domain. You can modify this field as per your choice. If you want to secure your domain with Let's Encrypt SSL certificate and your domain is pointing to a server, then select the checkbox Secure the domain with Let's Encrypt. Click on OK. This process requires 2-3 minutes, and once done, you will get a success message. So, in this way, you can create add-on domain and subdomain in Plesk. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.